In this video, I'll show you how to use dynamic pages to generate multiple pages of content based on a single page design. First, you'll need a collection. This can be an internal or external collection. Then, you're ready to create your dynamic page. To create a dynamic page, you can convert a regular page design or start with a dynamic page template. When your design is ready, connect each widget to the fields within your collection. To view the different pages you've created, click the Pages dropdown in the top navigation bar. In addition to widgets, you can connect the page SEO title and description to a field within your collection. From the Pages side panel, open the page settings and click SEO. Then, click Connect to Data and select the appropriate field. When your dynamic pages are finished, you'll need a way for site visitors to navigate the pages. An easy way to do this is to add the gallery or list widget somewhere on your site and connect it to your collection.